You know, we always complained about how people change the moment they get a little bit of power. We see a boss, a politician, or even a friend get a promotion and suddenly they act like they don't even know us. We usually call them arrogant or corrupt. But what if I told you that it's not just their personality? What if it's actually their brain, literally breaking? In this video, we're going to look at some things you probably haven't heard before. We're talking about actual changes in the brain's hardware that happen the second you start calling the shots. It turns out, power acts on the human mind like a drug or even a physical injury. It blinds you to what others are feeling. And no, it's not because they choose to be jerks. It's because their brain is physically incapable of doing otherwise. Stick around because we're diving into the science of the infected brain. And trust me, after this, you'll never look at a powerful person the same way again. Let's get into it.
To understand this, we have to go back to 2008, to a lab at McMaster University. Researchers took a group of people and split them into two teams, the powerless and the powerful. They used transcranial magnetic stimulation, basically a high-tech way to see which parts of your brain are talking to each other. They wanted to see how their mirror neurons would react. Now, mirror neurons are the reason you feel a pang in your stomach when you see someone get hurt. They allow us to mirror the actions and emotions of others. It's the biological basis for human empathy. But then they saw something that shocked them. When the powerless group watched a video of a hand squeezing a rubber ball, their mirror neurons went crazy. They were literally feeling the tension in their own hands. But when the powerful group watched the same video, silence. Their brains didn't mirror anything. The signal was dead. It wasn't that they were being mean or dismissive. Their brains literally stopped processing the other person's actions as something relatable. In neurology, this is called motor resonance, or more accurately, the lack of it. When you're in charge, your brain stops resonating with the people below you. You become, quite literally, a different species of thinker. And it gets worse. This isn't just about not feeling for others. It changes how you see reality. Professor Ian Robertson, one of the leading neuroscientists on this, calls it the Hubris Syndrome. He found that power works exactly like cocaine. It increases testosterone and dopamine levels so high that it creates a feeling. You start feeling invincible. Your brain's risk assessment center, the amygdala, starts to shrink in importance, while the reward center grows. This is why a CEO or a politician can make a decision that ruins thousands of lives without blinking. To them, it's just a move on a chessboard. Their brain is physically incapable of seeing the human cost, because that part of the hardware has been bypassed.
So, the next time you see a leader making a cold, heartless decision, remember, it might not be a choice.